Good morning, students. Today, again, I am going to share the second element of marketing mix after product mix, that is price mix. In the last class, I think you got some food for thoughts about product mix. It is not possible to accommodate the entire things in one video, but I think if you listen, then after listening, if you read your book, if you go through the book, then obviously you can understand. And if you have any problem afterwards, obviously you will ask me in the live class. So now I am going to explain price mix. So what is price mix? And the word is very much familiar to us, the price. What is this? It is the value marked or put on the product. It is the sum total of value for which customer is willing to exchange or willing to pay for getting its utility. And for your information, it is very much important if you think for the entrepreneur. This is the only income generating element of marketing mix. Because think about product mix, place mix, promotion mix, and price mix. Regarding product mix, as an entrepreneur, you will have to expend, you will have to invest. Capital expenditure must be there. Regarding place mix, you will have to think about distribution of your product. So selling and distribution overhead you will have to meet. Regarding promotion mix, sales promotions, advertisement, personal selling. So this is also selling and distribution expenses. You will have to be at. But all P's, that is product, place and promotion, correlated with expenses, depends upon price, only income generating for the entrepreneur. This is the income generating mix of marketing mix. Amazing. So entrepreneur should give more attention for this. Now what are the factors of or elements of price mix? First, obviously, determine or set the proper effective price, competitive price of the product. What are the factors? That is called pricing rather. It is a process through which entrepreneur determine the proper value, proper price of the product, of their product. So what are the factors they should consider for pricing, for effective pricing? First of all, it is retained cost of production. Second, obviously target market. Third, demand and supply. Fourth, you can say that the price of competitive and complementary goods, that should be another important factor before pricing your product. So you will have to consider it. First, cost of production. It is very much important for us, and on the basis of this factor, one pricing strategy is taken by the entrepreneur, and name of that strategy is cost plus pricing. So what is the meaning of cost plus pricing? On the basis of cost of production, entrepreneur charge or add some profit margin and then fix the price. So how to calculate cost of production? If you think about cost of production, very much considerable point, you will have to calculate prime cost, that is cost of raw material, cost of labor or productive wages. Then you will have to add factory overhead, you will get factory cost. You will have to add work in progress, opening work in progress and less closing work in progress. And then afterwards you will get factory cost or works cost. So in this way, then you will have to add the opening cost of finished goods and less closing stock of finished goods. You will get the cost of production. So you will read it in graduation level. You will have to prepare the cost sheet. On the basis of that, you can calculate the cost of production of your product, and afterwards you will have to add some profit margin, reasonable profit margin, and then you will get the proper price. So cost of production, if it is high, then it is crucial to take the proper decision about pricing or profit rate margin or profit margin for fixing the price of the product. Target market. What is the target market of the entrepreneur? That is also another important point. And target market is correlated with another factor, that is consumers' income, because you will have to see where your product is marketed or supplied or sold, and who are the consumer of your product. What's the average income of the consumers of your product? What's the ability of the consumer to purchase your product? You will have to consider. And then obviously demand and supply, elasticity of demand, it is very much important, because if your product is demand sensitive, then if you charge a bit of more price, the demand will fall. So you'll have to consider this very seriously, very seriously. So these are the factors on the basis of which you will have to, as an entrepreneur, you will have to fix the price of the product. In the next class, I will come for different pricing strategy, and there I will share cost plus pricing strategy, skimming pricing, as well as penetration pricing. Okay, understood it? Go through your book. Thank you.